Today's lesson is on how to use my LOD 500 basket cable tray. As you can see here, it's pretty detailed. All right, and let's, this is a straight here. One of the main secret to this thing is using line references, so you can grab it just like you could a normal cable tray. Here we're not using the cable tray command, we're using just fittings only. All right, so +2, you can also come in here and type in the dimension. Let's say I want it to be 10 foot, and now let's say I wanted to add an elbow to that, and add another straight. So let's snap it. Oops. As you see, also I have the clearances on here. As you click on there, you can change the top, the bottom, left, right. In this case here, I'm just gonna, I have them set as a subcategory, and I'm just going to turn them off right now, so it'll be a little easier to control. All right, and now let's say I want to go up and over something, and what you need to do then is I created doing this all in 3D here, so it's just easier. I have these 3D fittings here that only work in 3D. I have some 2D fittings here for inside and outside vertical. So in this case, let's see here, I'm going up over something, so I'm going to change the radius to say 30 degrees. Create another straight. All right. And now I'm going to change that to 30 degrees. Add another straight. Like I said, you can either grab it, snatch it, or just change it. And now let's say I'll just grab across here. And one thing to, oops. Yeah, so that's one thing too about Revit is that, as you can see here, it goes in order of what fittings were built inside the RFA. So in this case, it threw it on the other side. And let's say I wanted to do that. So you have to kind of go into order it was built. Sometimes it is a pain. So let's say I come in here, I'll change this, but I just want to show you that another glitch about Revit is that, let's say I wanted to place a couple of these in a row, which you probably would never want to do. As you see here, it won't let you snap another piece on it. You have to create similar again in order to place the next one. That works really, I use a cable tray for a busway. It really applies to that more. But and then here I've created two different types of T's. Basically I call this a straight T. And then I created another one called an NT. All right. And that's pretty much the lesson on how to do level 500 basket cable tray. If you guys are interested on how I built these things, just leave me a comment. Thanks.